Looking for the perfect drone for your needs in 2024? You're in the right place. Drones have become more than just flying toys, they're tools for capturing breathtaking aerial footage, surveying landscapes, and even delivering packages. Today, we're focusing on 3 top contenders in the drone market: the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, DJI Air 3, and DJI Mini 4 Pro. Each of these models brings something unique to the table. So, let's dive in and find out which drone would be the perfect fit for you. First, we'll compare the features of these 3 drones. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro, a powerhouse in the skies, boasts superior obstacle avoidance, advanced flight modes, and a camera with a whopping 48-megapixel sensor. It's a beast for professional videography. Next, the DJI Air 3, a mid-range marvel, offers a balance between power and portability. Its camera is no slouch with a 20-megapixel sensor, and it has a variety of flight modes for different shooting scenarios. Plus, it's packed with sensors for smooth, safe flights. Lastly, the DJI Mini 4 Pro, the compact contender, is perfect for beginners and travelers. Despite its smaller size, it comes with a 12-megapixel camera and includes features like auto takeoff and landing, making it user-friendly. Each of these drones brings something unique to the table. Whether it's the Mavic's high-end specs, the Air's versatility, or the Mini's portability, there's a drone for everyone. As you can see, each drone has its strengths when it comes to features. But what about image quality? Now let's talk about image quality. It's one of the most crucial aspects to consider when choosing a drone. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro, with its high-resolution camera, delivers stunningly vivid images. The color accuracy is simply top-notch, making your photos and videos look incredibly lifelike. Switching gears to the DJI Air 3, it's a powerhouse in terms of dynamic range. It beautifully captures both the deepest shadows and the brightest highlights, offering a well-balanced image. The DJI Mini 4 Pro, on the other hand, excels in low-light performance. It captures clear, noise-free images, even when the lighting conditions are far from perfect. So, whether you're capturing the vibrant hues of a sunset, the intricate details of a landscape, or the magical allure of a starry night, these drones have got you covered. Clearly, all 3 drones offer impressive image quality, but a drone's flight time can be just as important. Flight time and price are crucial factors to consider when choosing a drone. Let's start with flight time. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro boasts an impressive flight time of up to 34 minutes on a single charge. Not far behind, the DJI Air 3 can stay airborne for around 32 minutes, while the DJI Mini 4 Pro gives you a solid 30 minutes of flight time. Now let's talk price. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is the most expensive of the trio, but it offers advanced features and superior image quality that justify the higher price. The DJI Air 3 strikes a balance between price and performance, offering several high-end features at a more affordable price point. Lastly, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is the most budget-friendly option, but it still delivers solid performance and is perfect for beginners or casual users. With all this information in mind, you're well equipped to choose the drone that best fits your needs and budget. So, which drone is the perfect one for you? Let's recap. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a powerhouse, packed with features, while the DJI Air 3 offers a balance of functionality and affordability. The DJI Mini 4 Pro, on the other hand, is a great option for beginners. Each drone offers unique strengths in image quality, flight time, and price. Remember, the best drone for you depends on your specific needs and budget. Happy flying! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content on AI and technology.